3 key ways to engage your customers online. Engaging your customers online is an important part of your business success. To do so takes some work and planning on your part. Here are 3 key ways that are guaranteed to help you engage better with your customers online. 1. Social media. Social media is a very broad arena. It includes many things such as crowdsourced imagery, simple embedded tweets, social sign-in for comments, incentives against content, trending items, share imperatives and much more. Social media is a tool that should never be overlooked. Because there are so many social media networks to choose from, you need to know your customer well, know which type of customer uses which network, and then choose what social media avenues would work best for your business. Use as many social media outlets as you know will be beneficial to engaging with your customers. 2. Site search. Make your site search as simple and as useful as possible. For example, Toys R Us has their search set up to auto-complete. It also shows the SKUs for each term the user types in. Take this example and use it on your website. The accuracy of your results is very important, so focus on that as your number 1 priority. Then make things simple for your visitor to use. Make the search as functional as possible, and the easier it makes your visitors' ability to find what they want, the better off your site will be. 3. Live chat. A call to action is important on every site, and live chat can play an important role in achieving your call to action. It is a valuable feature and it has so many uses. You can have live chat to solve customer complaints, answer questions, provide inventory lists, etc., and that's when you can include a call to action. Live chat provides instant gratification for the customer and an excellent way for you to engage your customer online. However, it is important not to frustrate your customer by claiming you have live chat when it's actually just a chat bot that doesn't provide what they need in real time. Real live chat is better than the automated chat bot method, unless the bot provides what they really need. Clearly state the hours when live chat or a human will be available. Make use of these 3 key ways to engage your customer online and keep them happy. Your customers are the key to your success, so make sure that you give engagement with them the attention it deserves. Check the description of this video for more private business research.